how to fix Instagram camera effects. First, when you get into side section like this one, what is the main point on that selection? It is to get off from your application and then simply go to your Google Play Store, check if you have any sites for update for your Instagram. For example, if you don't have the latest version of your Instagram, you need to get it right now, because that is much more easier and is as also important because you have all the new filter sites, all the new features which are available just on the newest site. But in this case, as you can see, I have open session, which means that I don't have an update option, and that will bring you to the main point that we need just to uninstall and then reinstall the application back. And if you have any sites from your iPhone, you can simply go to your settings on your selection sites on your phone and then go offload application, and that will take the same process but automatically.